Here are some TikTok viral skincare products that are actually worth your time and your coin. So before we get into this video, hi, my name is Hannah Lee. I'm an unfiltered beauty, fashion, lifestyle influencer and all the socials. Let's get talking skincare and all TikTok virality products. Anyway, no sense. All right, let's get a video. I don't know if this is you, but on my FYP page, I be getting all the TikTok shop of the same skincare products all the time. And I definitely caved and I picked a couple of them up. Out of all the ones I've tried, here are the ones I've kind of narrowed down to where I'm like, you know what, they actually have been working or I've had really good results with them and I want to make sure I share it with y'all. I know y'all have seen this green bottle. This is from the brand Personal Day. It's co-founded by Lily Reinhart. Reinhart used to be a skincare brand that's really targeted for sensitive and acne prone skin. Hypochlorous acid spray has been really just all over TikTok. And then they also came out with the gel version, which I've never really heard of that before, her brand. But I'm telling you right now, for the spray, I like to use that after the gym, in the airplane, or just when I think my skin needs a little reset. Okay, especially if you have acne prone skin, it's so useful. But this one is actually in a gel. So I don't know if you can see that. So I like to use this as a spot treatment. I know you see this one down here. She got a little bit of makeup on her. That's why she looked like that. But this is not to use all over the face because it can be quite drying in the gel form. So I use it as a spot treatment just on those little suckers right there. And even though it is a little drying, it doesn't irritate the skin, but it's just perfect for spot treatments. I know the founders of the brand, they also said that, like, not that they're promoting to pick skin, but let's say you do pick your skin, you can also use it on there as like a little lifeline. But yeah, so I do really like the Hypochlorous gel from them. I also like the rest of their line. I currently am using their moisturizer. It's their Dive Deep. I love it. I can't pronounce things, but their moisturizer is really great, especially if you have acne prone skin. I do have another moisturizer. I'm going to touch on this in this video, but I really wanted to focus on just very TikTok viral products. Of course, I had to include Miss Hailey Bieber's Rhode skin. Rhode, I feel like, is the most, if not one of the most talked about beauty brands online. And now that they're in Sephora. Before the mist it was the Glazing Milk. The Glazing Mist, I feel like it's the only thing I see that's being talked about when it comes to Rhode skincare. I know they've kind of stepped into makeup now as well and color products, but the Glazing Mist, out of all her products too, the reason why I really think the Glazing Mist is worth the hype that it has is because it's probably the most acne safe product out of their entire skincare line. There's no ingredients in here. There are acne triggers that are pore clogging. And it's just overall, it feels so nice on the skin. I especially love to use this. I do use tretinoin in my skincare routine. So kind of like when you hear people doing their little hydration sandwiches, their moisture sandwiches, I will use the Glazing Mist because it's giving me that hydration while also helping with my barrier skins, the skin barriers, support, health, all of that. And I also use this in my makeup too, but this is a really great just hydrating mist. If you're looking for that extra, just locking in the moisture, helping with your barrier, skin barrier. It's a really great mist. I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just going with what's in front of me. We talked about moisturizer. I know I love the Personal Day one. When I think of TikTok viral, I'm gonna go with the Skin Fix. I feel like I see Skin Fix moisturizers all over the place. Usually in their original, like the deeper blue one, but this is actually a different version. It's their water cream version. You have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, especially acne prone skin, because this is a lighter, like a lightweight formula. And I love that it has like that little, which makes it so sanitary. But just look how nice and light this moisturizer is. Especially, I do deal with a lot of hormonal acne and I just need the extra moisture. Look how far you can take the product. It's so nice. And it doesn't leave a weird residue on the skin. My skin soaks it right up. I haven't had any breakouts with this. Just overall, a really great moisturizer, especially if you have acne prone skin. I'll switch out between moisturizers. When I know I'm going to use tretinoin or any more like active ingredients, I always switch for this one just to really help my skin's barrier and really kind of give it the support it needs. The Skin Fix, this is their barrier balancing water cream. 10 out of 10, really great moisturizer. Let's start getting into the fun part. I'm mentioning actives, acne, all the good stuff. Y'all best believe I'm gonna mention Banish, which is so crazy to even say. Not crazy, because I'm not surprised. They have such great products, but it's so cool to see that they're viral on TikTok. But also wanting to make sure I gave them a mention because I have been a Banish customer for so long, and now to see them on TikTok is great. So definitely, yes, honorable mention to the Banisher 3.0. It has replaceable heads now, so you don't have to buy a whole new device each time. And they also have new needle lengths, so you have the 0.5 millimeter to microneedle your face, right? And then they also have a 1 millimeter to microneedle any kind of scarring on the skin, like stretch marks on your body. But if you're looking to treat acne scars, fine lines, wrinkles, help with those enlarged pores, Banisher 3.0. Or I'm always gonna back this up. It is so good. I still use it. I use it on a weekly basis. 10 out of 10. On the topic of actives, it is so important to exfoliate your skin on a weekly basis. I used to be really bad about it and not do it. And it's because I used to do it out of the sink. So to kind of make myself get this like muscle memory, or really get into the habit, is I'll do a mask while I'm in the shower because it's just easier to remove and cleanse all at once. So if you're looking for a nice exfoliating, not a physical, a chemical exfoliant that's really gonna help your skin, maybe acne, help with your overall oil production, or just you need a good exfoliant, check out this pumpkin enzyme mask. This is always selling out on TikTok. That's because it's their most popular. Aside from the Banisher, their pumpkin enzyme mask is their most popular product. It's an AHA exfoliating mask. It helps hyperpigmentation, acne, prevent acne. It smells straight up like pumpkin. Don't eat it, but this is so great. It's on top of maybe using this twice a week. Right now I'm only using it once, which I know is not great. I probably need to start using this twice a week. But if you're looking for just glowy skin, a nice exfoliant, really take care of the skin, get rid of dead skin cells, make sure you're including an exfoliating mask and not a physical one. Physical masks don't do anything. You need that chemical exfoliant to really help kind of slush off all that dead skin cells off your face. To a toner, I'm gonna bring it up and you can think what you want, but I had to. Point of View Beauty by Michaela Noguera. Her entire product line is all over TikTok. It is all over my feed. And now that her brand is available to shop on TikTok, the way this has come up on my feed constantly. I actually purchased these right when they released the first launch on her website. These have gone viral. These are everywhere on TikTok. I do have the entire lineup, but I will say these are the only two products that I genuinely still use day to day in my daily routine. And I've seen a significant difference with it, and I love these so far. So I'm going to continue using them. So it is her Soothing Priming Milk, Drench It and Drip It, which is her hydrating serum. I had a skin analysis done, and then just kind of what I should really concentrate and work on, right? So definitely I wanted to start including niacinamide more into my skincare routine. That's because I do have excess sebum production, and niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, all those ingredients can really help kind of control the oil, that sebum production in the skin. And because I do have that excess sebum production, I am starting to get more enlarged pores, which I knew I had larger pores just because I have had acne scars, acne texture, all the stuff going on. This priming milk, it has fermented rice water, wally in here, but the biggest thing was the niacinamide. And I know niacinamide is in so many products now. I mean, it's even included in makeup now. It's like a seller. But I will say, when I used to even get facials, and I don't do it as often anymore just because it's a little pricey, I know most of my facials, like, you need to add some kind of niacinamide kind of into your skincare routine. This priming milk, I haven't included it. I use it every morning. And before anyone says, oh, it's your skin prep for your makeup. Skin prep for makeup is basically skincare. Like Michaela said, you can also include this into your skincare routine. I definitely love to use this every morning. I don't use a cleanser in the morning. I just rinse with water and then I go in with the priming milk. So amazing. I mean, I sometimes even use it in my evening routine because I'll do an AHA. I use a chemical toner. It's actually the Cherry Dub toner from Fenty. I use that once every other night, and then when I'm alternating, I'll alternate with this in the evening too. But I love the Drench It Soothing priming milk. And the other product I really love for point of view is Drip It. And this is her Hydrating Glassy Serum. It has niacinamide in there again, which is amazing. And even has, I think panthenol, which is really going to also help with that sebum production, the enlarged pores. And then it has snow mushroom, which all these things are just so great from what I'm looking for, right? To just target those different skin concerns. So these two together, morning I use these two together. I've also included Drip It into my evening skincare routine. Basically I use Drip It in both morning and evening. It's been great. So yes, POV Beauty, loving these two. They're viral and I definitely think these two are for sure worth the hype. Face, like targeted product, has to be this one right here. It's the Fenty Skin Cherry Dub Cleanser. The way this cleanser, all these products are always on my FYP, and I see people trying to sell just these products all the time. But this is one product I will say from Fenty Skin. I think the Fenty Skin Cherry Dub line has to be one of their most popular drops or just collections and launches from Fenty. But the way I see Fenty Skin's Cherry Dub Cleanser constantly on TikTok is insane. And I mean, look, the love is there. Don't mind the chip at the bottom. A girl chipped this by accident. It is a glass bottle, but aside from the packaging being really great, this is such a beautiful just formula of a cleanser. It's not just a plain cleanser. I use this as a double cleanse. It is so good that it'll remove a full face of makeup. Okay, and there's some cleansers, they're nice, they're cute and all the stuff, but they don't get all the makeup gunk off your face. This one, even on your nose crevices, it will remove everything. And that's why I will always go back to this cleanser. They claim to remove makeup, oil, just impurities. It does it all. It does all of that. It is the best. It is the best cleanser. Miss Rhode, she did her thing with this one. The body skincare category, which I feel like we've all seen the same body stuff because a lot of things can get mixed and all that stuff. But I know the three products. I only have 3 products to share. I know you know this one. Cyclar. Cyclar. All know exactly what this is. This is their Ceramide Milky Essence. But this is such a really pretty just essence. I mean, the fact that they say you can use it on the face and the body. I don't do that just because I know my skin can be a little temperamental and it's a little sensitive, and I use particular products that I know work really well on my face. But this is quite beautiful. I mean, look at it. It goes far, so you don't need to use a lot of product. But look how amazing this is. Look at that ashy elbow, boom, boom. My skin doesn't even look that ashy because I use the products I'm sharing you and use, but it is such a nourishing just body. It hydrates the skin. I really love to use this right out of the shower when your skin's still a little bit wet. The biggest thing about this is it's really supposed to help straighten your skin barrier. And I feel a lot of times we're so focused on our face and neck. I love taking care of my neck too. But we're so focused on our face and our neck that we forget that the body also important, right? The rest of the skin on the rest of our body. I mean, yes, we do have body butters, lotions, but a lot of time it's just little top things. It's just making the top of your skin look nice. It's not really going any deeper. So I do really like this Ceramide Essence. I also love that it's available on Amazon, which makes it really accessible to order and not have to wait too long on shipping. But yes, the Cyclar, this one, so good. I also have the vitamin C body oil, but I feel like their essence, especially right out of the shower. Okay, put it out there, best for last. It has to be Abi Ame. If you haven't seen these bottles, you're living under some virtual rock, because these are all over TikTok. And I'm so happy for the brand because I feel like I definitely kind of stumbled upon Summer Skin before they kind of are everywhere now on TikTok, but I'm so happy for them. So this is a small brand. It's a Palestinian owned brand that is developed in France. Currently they do have only 2 products, but these 2 products, like I could be okay with just 2 products for them, even though I know they're definitely developing more. But these 2 products, you could tell the time and the care and the effort they put into it. So I'm going to quickly talk about this one. This is their Soft Touch Exfoliating Body Mask. It's an amazing pre-shower mask. It has all the stuff in there. It has AHA, BHAs, like we were just talking. Physical scrubs and masks don't do anything. If you really want to see a difference in your skin, it has to be a chemical exfoliant, and that's where this comes into play. This purple gooey gel-like mask that you apply on the skin before going in the shower. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then you wash it off in the shower. I have been using this especially because I am currently on a back acne journey and I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, post-acne marks, fadeaways, so many dark spots that I have, and I'm so excited to continue using this. So if you're looking for just an exfoliating mask, a pre-shave mask, this is also really great with KP, strawberry legs. I mean, it got you. So definitely recommend Soft Touch. But the last product, we gotta talk about her, and it's Summer Skin by Abiame. It is their body lotion serum. Yes, you heard it, a body lotion serum. So many reasons why to love this product. If you're looking to just have really glowy skin, to have a lotion that doesn't leave a residue, that doesn't feel sticky, that you can literally wear clothes on after applying it. I mean, there's so many things. A skincare infused lotion. It has similar ingredients like La Mer does. It has saccharide isomerate in here, which is going to be an amazing hydration, deep hydration in the skin, skin barrier support. It's also on TikTok Shop and Amazon, and I love that. And I had to go ahead and place an order on Amazon because this one is out. It's so out that I have minis, and I'm like, you know what? Let me use the minis for now. I'm going to demonstrate with my mini. Let me take off my watch. It's also really great as a primer for your fragrance if you want your fragrance to last longer. Look, I'm gonna show you on my arm. Just look at the consistency. I'm gonna put a little bit. How far it spreads. Look at that. And just look how beautiful and glowy your skin looks. You know when you want to use a body butter because you want your skin to kind of achieve that glow that a normal lotion doesn't do, but body butters are so sticky. This is not sticky. It doesn't leave a residue. You can literally put your clothes on. Your clothes won't stick to you. I'll show you this too. Y'all see I have all these rings on right now. It is so great that you can even apply. If you have sensory issues, you can even apply with your rings and it won't be weird and gross and icky. Like, you're good to go. No stick. You have not tried Summer Skin, you're missing out. The way I just want to take a bath. Just like fill up a tub and just throw in all the Summer Skin in there and just take a bath in it. You're gonna come out looking like glass skin. You know, people talk a lot about glass skin. If you just swim in Summer Skin, you'll have some glass skin all year long. And it's called Summer Skin. Listen, I want Summer Skin all year. If that's what my skin gonna look like, yeah. Give me some Summer Skin. Yeah, I mean, those were all the products. I mean, I feel like TikTok, there's so much opportunity to find so many new products you probably have never heard of, never tried of, but a lot of hits. I mean, I will say, and it's really cool to see that a lot of these brands are newer brands. They're small businesses that are being created and co-founded, and it's exciting to see. Yes, if I missed any of the TikTok viral products, let me know of other products or recommendations down in the comments. All right, that was it for this video. Again, my name is Henna, yes, like the tattoo, and I am an unfiltered beauty, fashion, lifestyle influencer here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. And yeah, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I post on shorts every day. I'm literally online every day, even if it's not on YouTube. But that is it. I'm gonna go apply this all over my body, get ready for bed, take this makeup off, get my Fenty, and I'll see y'all in another video. All right, bye.